Hi there, Leigh Farnell here. In the last 40 years, I've spent many hours helping people in companies and organizations change, and also wondering why and seeing resistance to change. And people often wonder, why aren't things changing? Take advantage of the 30-minute needs discovery conversation. Tell us what your number one problem is in business and let us work through with you the journey. In fact, let me go and show you the actual website that we want you to take advantage of. Here's the link you're going to go to. Click this link, and what you're going to see is you're going to get invited to the Everyday Empowerment Institute 10X, Take It to the Bank Return on Investment Challenge. You just tell us your biggest business problem, and we'll show you how you can get a 10 times return on your investment by turning your biggest problem into your biggest profitability and growth system solution. You just tell us your biggest business problem, and we'll show you how you get a 10 times return on your investment by turning your biggest problem into a business profitability and growth system solution. You go down, there's a video explaining it, and not only that, you can get a 30 minutes, no obligation, no sales pitch for free, needs discovery, problem solving session where we clarify where you're heading, where you are right now. You're going to get an understanding of what's needed to take you there. You're going to get the fastest way to achieve your most important business and lifestyle goals. And we're going to talk about our simple 5-step system for business growth and profitability transformation in your business. Not only that, you can go down, put those details in, and even book the meeting right there and then. Bang, just click on that link and up it comes the times that are available. You can go to there it is, just click it in. It's that simple. So come and join us for a free 30-minute needs discovery session and let us help you get clarity, solve problems, and show you about the 5-step system. See you soon. This really is a great opportunity. Click here now.